Hello, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss about Staphylococcus and other Staphylococcus species. There is belief by most people that Staphylococcus is transmitted sexually. That means Staphylococcus is a sexually transmitted infection. But do you know that this Staphylococcus is not transmitted sexually? Yes, Staphylococcus is not transmitted sexually. In fact, Staphylococcus is a bacterial gram-positive microorganism that is present everywhere. Like I said in one of my previous videos, I said that's what we call ubiquitous. Microorganisms are ubiquitous in nature. So this Staphylococcus, even on our skin here, are present. Some people have it on their skin. However, it doesn't mean that Staphylococcus don't cause infection. It causes infections. We have other species of Staphylococcus that are over 20, but I'm going to mention two because of their sensitivities. Those three, I'm going to mention three: Staphylococcus aureus, Staphylococcus saprophyticus, and Staphylococcus epidermidis. Now, let's look at this Staphylococcus. Staphylococcus epidermidis and Staphylococcus aureus can be transmitted through direct contact. Like for example, now if I have it on my hand, or this my bare hand, if it's on my bare hand, I touched you, I can give you the infections. If I kiss you, the bacterial can be transferred to you. Staphylococcus aureus are pathogenic, no doubt. They cause a lot of infections, which I'm going to mention some here. But I just want to clear the notions that this microorganism is not the way people portray it to be. That most of the sexually transmitted infections you'll be seeing Staphylococcus aureus, Staphylococcus aureus. This microorganism is not transmitted sexually. The one that is can be transmitted sexually is called Staphylococcus saprophyticus, and this causes light urinary tract infection, while the epidermidis and aureus are transmitted from direct contact. However, this microorganism can go into one's private part, most especially women, to cause infections, because maybe now if I have it on my hand and I finger you, or you have it on your hand, you fingered yourself, you can send this microorganism into your private part. And if your immune system is low, like for example, I talked about what we call lactobacillus, which produce lactic acid in human body. So if this lactobacillus, or the pH content of a woman, is distorted and give room for any microorganism that comes just to grow, then this Staphylococcus can go in there and cause a serious infections. So having said that, this Staphylococcus can cause a very serious infections. It's not as if that because it's not transmitted sexually, it doesn't cause a serious infection. No, it can cause very serious and complicated infections that can even lead to death. Most of the boils that we see on our body are caused by Staphylococcus. Staphylococcus can cause pneumonia if it attacks the lungs. They find a very nice place where they can grow. They can cause bone infection. It can cause tissues infections. Staphylococcus aureus can cause food poison. That's if somebody eats food that is infected with this microorganism, it can lead to food poison. And also, Staphylococcus can cause what we call bacteremia. That's the infections of the blood by bacteria. And one of the most deadly cause of infection caused by Staphylococcus is meningitis. Meningitis are infections which affect our brain. It can lead swellings of the brain. That is, when these infections mistakenly get into the cerebrospinal fluid and be transported into the brain, it can cause meningitis. This staphylococcus causes a lot of very serious sickness. But this notions that every test you see, every infections here and there is caused by staphylococcus is what I'm just trying to clear off. Yes, it is there in our system, in our body, in any way at all. It's there. It can cause equals to serious infection, most especially people who have low immune system. That is, their immune system has been compromised. So in any way at all, this microorganism get into the body system, it can lead to a serious infections, no doubt with it. But it doesn't cause, it cannot be transmitted through sex. So thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye for now.